Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164 and let's have a look at these Johnny Lightnings. This case unboxing is an unboxing for Johnny Lightning Muscle Cars USA 2018 Release 3B. So it's all about muscle cars in this set. The box is already opened and let's have a look inside. First one out, and that's 1983 Olds Cutlass Supreme. It's a nice piece in the color royal blue poly. Limited edition, 4,420. Nice rims. And 80s muzzle. Let's have a small look at the package. Back side. Okay, let's have a look at the front again. I do like this car. Sorry for the glare. Let's have a look at the tail lights. And the bottom. Rubber tires. Okay, next one. And this is a Pontiac Firebird Transam from 1999. Sebring silver. 3,724 pieces. Back side. Nice tail lights. And this one also has rubber tires. Yeah, that's an okay piece. Do like it. Next one. That's a Chevy Malibu 1980. 2500 in dark green poly. Front side. Back side. And rubber tires, of course. Probably this whole set have rubber tires. Yes, this is a nice one. Next one. Yeah, that's one of the better ones. That's a GMC Syclone in custom bright red. 4,612 pieces. There is also, I think, a black release and a white release of this truck with these graphics on it. version A is, I think it's black, and the special version was white, hobby exclusive, but I'm not sure, maybe it's another way around. Nice. Do like it. And rubber tires. Okay, next one. And the last one already. No, one more. And this is a Ford Mustang GT from 1999 in black. And if I'm not mistaken, these wheels are two-piece wheels with probably plastic tires, I'm not sure. No, these are also rubber tires. Next one. The last one of this box. And it's a Chevy Corvette 1988, 80s muscle, 3,796 pieces in dark orange poly. Back side, and this one also have rubber tires. So that's this set. Thank you for watching and see you at my next video. Bye.